Hey everyone, this is Michael here today, and I'll be presenting my website for the Convoy Crawl, a website for a fictional pub and bar crawl situated in the Convoy district of San Diego. It will eventually have an interactive bar map for users to map out their trips. Now you can see the website URL up here. It's convoycrawl.myth-productions.com. This website is meant to be a gathering point for those interested in the drinking scene in this Asian-centric region of San Diego, wedged between the 805, 163, and 52 freeways. Businesses will also be able to utilize this website as a forum for promoting their own establishments, promotions, and special events. So this website, it's currently being hosted on my web host under a subdomain of my own web domain, myth-productions.com. The idea for the website started out as sort of a passion project. It came from an idea I had a while back in which I wanted to create an informative site to gather all the information on San Diego's nightlife. The idea got parsed down over time to being a list of drinking spots in the Convoy area because I spend quite a bit of time here. Then I came across the idea for a pub crawl when I noticed a flyer for other pub crawls in San Diego, and that's what led to this website. Now, there are several features on this website that I would like to point out. Firstly, on the top, you can see the Convoy Crawl custom logo, and then the site header up here. And then below that is the navigation menu, which consists of a horizontal list. And you can see here it utilizes a couple CSS3 effects. It uses transparencies and also an effect called easing. Uh, you can see here that the links, they change color gradually and not suddenly like normal links typically would if you hover over them. Below that is the maps, the main section of the site, and on the right of that is it's a side section or for updates. So the main section contains the map that will eventually be an interactive image map that you can roll over the different locations and information will pop up. Below that is an unordered list in some main site text. And then on the bottom, you can see the footer, which contains copyright information, external links to my main website and email, and an anchor link on the far right, which leads all the way to the top of the site. On the about page, it should contain information eventually on how the site came about and what it's meant for. Right now, it just contains lorem ipsum text. On the businesses page, it actually contains a list of a few businesses that will be involved with the site. Right now they contain their address, beverage information, and operating hours. But eventually, it should also contain exterior and interior photos of the businesses as well. And the operating hours are listed in an unordered list. The contact page is similar to the about page, also missing its main content, just has lorem ipsum text, but eventually it should contain a contact form that is using JavaScript verification for people to contact me through email, besides the email link on the bottom. And then the links page also contains an unordered list of various external links. There'll eventually be links that have more in common with the website itself. Now, going back to the main page, I just want to show off the thing that I'm most proud of about this site, which is that it's utilizing a responsive design using only CSS3. So you can see that when you resize the site adjusts itself. It resizes itself to fit the width of the window of the browser. And you can also see that some of the sections actually move. So you see the updates column actually moves to the left here. And then if we resize it even smaller, we have now a site that's sized for mainly mobile screens. and it can be swiped up and down a lot easier with one hand for using this template. Now, this site started out as an attempt to bring an idea to reality, but along the way, the goals changed, and it went from merely presenting information on drinking spots to being more about testing my skills in creating a responsive template. So it took a lot of time, and that's what I feel like the biggest challenge of the site was that I felt like I constantly needed more time. So my advice to future students is to be flexible and especially be organized and properly manage your time and goals. Uh, by properly managing your time and goals, you're more likely to be successful in the things that you want to create because you know how much time you're allotted for each part of your project. Um, so that's my website. Thank you for watching my presentation for the Convoy Crawl website. And please don't drink and drive and be safe this holiday weekend. Thank you.